Pretty fast when it come out.
Only people that's gonna win are the big ass trucks.
This fucking sucks. Oh my god.
I ain't gonna say what I wanted to say earlier.
Say it.
No.
Why?
It's gonna happen.
I'm gonna be pissed if my car is fucking flooded.
Main streets aren't flooded.
That's because they're higher up.
You gotta go that way, Jim.
Jesus Christ.
Someone went down.
We got a hurricane or something?
Yeah.
Do we really? We had a hurricane?
I'm fucking panicking right now.
The exit where we drive out.
The one that was the one that was flooded like that?
We hadn't got there yet.
Well, let me walk through it. Shit. My stock's already wet as it is.
If I have to, I'll call Congress to come get us.
So we gotta go that way, bro. The park lot's not there.
It's on that same road that we were just on.
Go back where he puts us up.
What you doing, man?
I don't want to make that talk.
He made a U-turn to go down this way. He did it smart.
Hurry up.
Look at this car.
I know, what do you think he is?
Oh shit, that's fucking Johnson.
I don't think the leather jacket helped, brother.
It didn't help much, my shoulder.
Jay, what's up, man? Wait till you see these cars flooded out. At least they got a fresh haircut. Yeah, man. We're gonna have to go that way and go down 17.
Oh, yeah.
At least we know the Volkswagen will say if I saw that commercial.
I'm pissed. I got full cover insurance, that's it. I got nothing special. And it might not even be active right now. I will be one. Oh my god, I'm pissed off. I need a cigarette right now. My buddy was driving to work one time. He was almost late. Well, he ended up being late anyways. He could have went down that road. Fucking destroyed his whole engine. And then Navy went to pay for shit. And he was on his way to work. He was rushing. So went through a public because we wanted to be there. We had a fucking Daytona edition car.
Roman car floating. Like, yeah, that's my car right there. Yeah, then it's flooded, just leave it. The Nissan has never been the same since, brother. I think he put out his engine. He knew better than to go out there and drive like that, man.
Hey, Wheeler.
Yeah. That car went underwater too, man.
And you leave it?
The Honda? Yeah, the Honda. We're back at the 91 Honda. That thing went underwater.
It's fucking stupid.
They called us like, yeah, man, I heard they had to get the tugboats to pull your car in this morning.
Hey, you need a toilet? There's a free toilet over there.
Oh wow.
Anybody got a cigarette?
Probably sucked.
They're probably sick.
Mine are dry.
Ah, shit. Ask him.
I'm stressing. Need to smoke.
It looks like it's stopped. Since flooded out, you should be able to just
Anybody got a roll of Bounty towels?
Nah, it's still I ain't got no windshield wipers.
A couple thousand of those might help.
I'm gonna need a lot more of that just to dry me off.
It's only on this side of the road. Yeah, that's the side we got.
A couple of Bounty towels and Pampers Deckers might have
You
cleared us
know,
up.
Wynn is so lucky she got out early before it started raining.
I know. What'd she do?
She's in the bake shop.
Shit.
Look at that water running.
I know. That's what I said. It's like we're underway again.
This is fucking stupid. We're just gonna go get lost, okay? And hopefully we make our way back to our place. Because I'm not going that way. I'm not going to this shit.
Oh, they're still down there. Oh, yeah, they've got pumps. That's just on this side.
It's flooded out over here.
Not bad. I'm going to sell it, buddy.
parties when you want.
Hopefully we're not fucking.
Thank God.
Getting out of it's gonna be a bitch though.
I was gonna be
I
pissed.
just saw 3 cars floating.
Yeah, I just dry my glasses.
Yeah, okay. I can get 100%
Make
clean.
sure you get off one. So yeah, I think really excited.
Oh my God, my knee.
Alright, you can Monster, you can open the water. This motherfucker's got a truck.
No, I don't. It's not here.
We driving the beach.
Alright, have a good one. You too.
Oh my God. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get out of here. It's really flooded everywhere. I'm not sure what the fuck's going on, if we're going through a hurricane or not. But it is seriously flooded. Here's Morales in his bag. There you go, man.
Oh fuck! You had to kill me.
Well, you're the one that went on the other side of the door.
Get off. Oh shit.
So, what do you think of the flooding?
It's wet.
We should get the fuck out of here right now, right?
We should try, yeah,
Alright,
if you want.
I'm stopping the video. Bye.